Before you get on the road today, you'll want to make sure your kids are in the right seats. Michigan's new car seat laws are now in effect.
Cameron James spoke with Kent County deputies who say it will be a huge boost for child safety.
Vehicle crashes are the #1 cause of death for young children. That's why the state of Michigan is tightening its laws on child car seat safety.
Research shows that these kids with these upgraded laws are going to be much safer, and they're expected to reduce the injury and fatality of children in motor vehicle accidents by up to 50%, which is a huge number. And safety is always our first priority, especially with children. So these new laws will definitely take emphasis on keeping these kids safe, and our deputies will be looking for it.
Michigan car seat safety for children falls under 4 categories, each getting some updates. Under these new laws, children are expected to be in rear-facing seats until 2 years old, or until reaching the seat's height and weight limits. From 2 until 5 years old, they're in a forward-facing seat with a 5-point harness. Law enforcement emphasizes not having the child in a bulky coat and tightening the straps until they can't be pinched together. From 5 to 8 years, they can move to a belt positioning booster seat. They also have to stay in the back seat until they are at least 13 years old. Law enforcement says even minor accidents can be incredibly dangerous to young children, and their officers are ready to enforce these new laws, but with discretion, favoring education over citations.
We want to keep them safe. We want to reduce the number of deaths and crashes. So if a child is sitting in the back seat and if there's maybe a harness strap that's loose or twisted, we can educate them. That's not something that we're going to punish, fine, offense, or give a citation for.
Our state's health department, state police, and the Office of Highway Safety and Planning offer opportunities for discounted car seats. Additionally, certain Target stores are offering car seat trade-ins from April 27th to May 10th, where you can get an additional 20% off a baby item by trading in that old car seat. The Kent County Sheriff's Department specifically trains their deputies in car seat safety and installation and says parents can stop by at any time to get their seats checked.
Most accidents happen within a few miles of your home. We don't want that to happen even one time to a child. So whenever you leave the house, whenever you're putting that kid in the car, make sure that that child is in the correct seat and that they're properly restrained. And going by these new laws, that'll keep them much more safe.